Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Pam and this is Creative Homescaping, where I share with you how to creatively manage and decorate your home. In today's video, I'm participating in a challenge that's being hosted by MystyleMycolours, and it's the Valentine's Day coffee bar tour. So I hope you enjoy. So here's an overall look at my coffee bar setup for Valentine's Day. After Christmas, I basically left the black and white polka dot items, and I just wanted to add a very subtle touch for Valentine's Day. I didn't want to have to switch things out. So I created some Valentine Day labels, which I showed in a DIY. Here you can see I have labeled the coffee drawer coffee, and then on the little tray I put sugar, stir sticks, straws, cream. I haven't filled these up yet, but cinnamon and sprinkles. This is the vanilla syrup, and then over here I have the hot cocoa and tea. So I just have my two-tier basket here with cocoa and an assortment of tea. This was very easy to do. It basically cost me $1 because most of these are labeled with some labels that were in a pack that I picked up at the Target dollar spot. I showed them in a haul, and I also showed them in the DIY when I made these hearts. But this way I can just take off the labels after Valentine's Day, and then it's back to a more neutral decor. And as you can see, I did want some touches of pink in here for Valentine's Day, but it's all very subtle. Leave me a comment down below to let me know what you think of this setup. Thanks for watching. I don't know if you can hear that, but it's raining pretty hard outside my window right now. So it's making some noise. But I appreciate your watching today. I hope you got some ideas for your own home. You don't have to do this for just Valentine's Day. You could do a similar type of decor for other holidays as well if you don't want to go out and spend a lot of money. So I hope you found that useful. And I want to thank MystyleMycolours for hosting this challenge. Please be sure to check out her channel, which will be linked below, along with a playlist of the other participants. And if you're new to my channel, I post several videos a week on how to creatively manage and decorate your home. So I hope you'll consider subscribing. Thanks again for watching. And if you want to see the tutorial on how I created the labels I used in my coffee bar, I will also link that video for you. That's it for now. Bye-bye, everybody.